Morning, Rick. Michael Sandoval here, just showing you this beautiful piece that we put in here with the glass block and the tile. We extended this one out over here just like you wanted it back like it was. We did the same over here. We put all the glass block in using the Laticrete. We put the Laticrete in there. We did the top here just like it was in the beginning. Got it looking nice and pretty. One of the things we did here, Rick, also, we removed this entire row of tile right here that I am pointing at. We removed it and we placed it up a little higher so that this grout joint would not be that thick like it was in the beginning. So we took these tiles out and we brought them up, making that grout joint much smaller and much prettier. I'm gonna stand back here so you can see it. Looks beautiful, no problems. We're gonna go ahead and start your water for you, Rick. I love the way this came out. We had no issues out here. Everything went smooth. Took my guys a total of 3 days, but they got it. They came back in. They made it happen. We got a couple extra glass blocks. I think they put them in the back there for you. But anyways, looks great. Call me if you have any questions. Meanwhile, I'm going to let this pool start filling. Have a good day. Hope all is well. Bye now.